To start, gather these specific 3 colored pencils: orange, light blue, and red. These colors are used to sketch and draw the design. We first use orange to roughly sketch out our design. This is to roughly map out and plan where our iris goes on the paper. We can also sketch down the placements of details and the eyelids. Details such as sketching down the shine in the eyes and the details of the iris. After the rough sketch, we can use the light blue to fine-tune the sketch we've done. The light blue is used to adjust placements as well as make its shapes more solid. We can then use the red to refine the shape of the design, making sure the shape and structure of the eyes are clear. Red is also used to show where the blackout parts will be. Once satisfied with the results, we can use these 2 markers, both medium and fine tips, to outline and fill the design. We start off with the fine tip marker to outline the design, making sure the lines are smooth and consistent. The purpose of using markers in the end step is to create a good visual effect on the lines, smooth or straight lines rather than chicken scratch lines. We can use the medium tip to color in the design we have outlined, being careful to fill in the right spaces, being mindful of the pressure of the lines. And once filling is done, we get the overall product.